Good morning, sir. Today we have a model which is on the topic of Samriddhi Bharat. Through this model, we have represented various things which is present in our country. Through this Buddha Stupa, we had represented our culture, and through the schools and hospitals, we had represented our urbanization of this country. This windmill and street lights, we had represented some technology, and through this smart farming system, we had represented why agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Now, we will talk about our PPT. This is our PPT, which is the topic of Samriddhi Bharat. This is our main picture. Now, we will talk about introduction to Samriddhi Bharat. Samriddhi Bharat means a prosperous India, inviting a nation that balances economic growth, social equity, sustainable development, and cultural risk. India's economy is growing steadily with a GDP growth rate projected around 6.5 to 6.7 in 2025. Now we will talk about agriculture, which is the backbone of our economy. Agriculture employs about 44% of the Indian workforce and contributes nearly 18% to the GDP. Now we will talk about some cultural and diversity. Culture, diversity and heritage as economic assets. It's a very important part of our country because it represents that how our country started. India's culture diversity spans over 22 official languages, hundreds of festivals, varied art forms, and richness heritage sites. Now we will talk about modern India, technological and infrastructure needs. India is rapidly advancing in digital connectivity with over 90% internet penetration projected by 2025. This is our idea on the topic of modern India. Renewable resources, path to sustainable growth. India is ranked third worldwide in installed renewable energy capacity, targeting over 500 GW by 2030. Now here are some survey reports of our country. This is our vision of prosperous India. Includes growth, focusing on education, health, and livelihoods for all citizens. This is our idea. At last, we will talk about conclusion. Samriddhi Bharat is a multiplicated journey, blending tradition with modernity, economic growth with social justice, and technology sustainability. At last, this was our PPT. This is our Viksit Bharat, and this is the list of our members in our team. Thank you so much for listening.